Choosing the right representation for a mesothelioma or asbestos lung cancer case in 2026 is the single most important factor in determining the financial security of your family. Today, we are providing a deep dive comparison of the nation's top-rated asbestos law firms to help you understand who offers the best representation for your specific needs. The legal landscape this year is highly competitive, with a few elite firms handling over 70% of all claims filed across the country. These firms have recovered billions of dollars collectively, but they each offer different strengths and specialized resources. We begin our comparison with Simmons Hanley Conroy, which is widely considered one of the most powerful asbestos firms in 2026. They have recovered over $10.7 million for their clients and maintain a massive team of over 100 attorneys across all 50 states. One of their greatest strengths is their trial record, including a historic $250 million verdict against a single defendant, which remains one of the largest in history. Simmons Hanley Conroy is an excellent choice for families looking for a firm with deep financial pockets and a long history of aggressive litigation in the courtroom. Next, we look at Weeks & Luxenberg, a firm that has consistently earned top-tier rankings for its work in mass torts and asbestos exposure. They have recovered more than $8.5 billion and are particularly famous for their work in high-profile jurisdictions like New York and California. Weeks & Luxenberg is often the go-to choice for workers who were exposed in industrial settings like shipyards and power plants because of their incredible database of corporate records and job site evidence. They are known for treating their clients with immense empathy and providing in-house medical support to help patients navigate their diagnosis. Our third major contender is Sokolov Law, which has been a leader in the field since 1979 and offers a unique nationwide approach to asbestos claims. Sokolov Law has helped thousands of families secure over $5.3 billion, and they are particularly well known for their efficiency in filing trust fund claims. They are an excellent option for families who want to maximize their recovery from multiple sources quickly, often without the need for a lengthy court trial. They also have a strong focus on representing veterans, providing specialized assistance for those exposed during military service. Another firm that stands out in 2026 is Barron & Budd, which was one of the first firms in the nation to take on an asbestos case over 45 years ago. They are considered one of the founding fathers of asbestos litigation and have been instrumental in setting many of the legal precedents that exist today. Barron & Budd is highly respected for its ability to handle complex environmental and product liability cases, and they have a proven track record of securing settlements and verdicts from the most difficult corporate defendants. Finally, we review the Lanier Law Firm, which is world-renowned for its trial excellence and has been named Law Firm of the Year in mass tort litigation. The Lanier Law Firm is famous for its meticulous preparation and its ability to explain complex scientific data to a jury in a way that often results in higher than average verdicts. They have recovered nearly $20 billion in total verdicts and settlements across their practice and are a top choice for families who want an elite trial team that is ready to fight to the very end. When comparing these firms, you should look at three key factors, starting with their national reach. A national firm can file your claim in the state where the laws are most favorable to you, which can significantly increase the value of your case. Second, you must look at their medical resources, as the best firms in 2026 employ registered nurses who can help you understand your pathology and connect you with top cancer centers. Third, consider their fee structure, as every reputable firm will work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay nothing upfront and they only get paid if they win your case. While no lawyer can guarantee a specific outcome, the average mesothelioma settlement in 2026 ranges between $1 million and $1.4 million, while trial verdicts can be much higher. By choosing one of these top 5 firms, you are ensuring that your case is handled by experts who have the databases and the financial resources and the trial experience to take on multi-billion-dollar corporations. We recommend scheduling a free consultation with at least 2 of these firms to see which team feels like the best fit for your family. Thank you for watching this 2026 Mesobook Guide, and we hope this comparison helps you find the elite representation you deserve in your pursuit of justice. When you are searching for the best asbestos representation in 2026, it is not enough to simply look at the names on a billboard or a website. You must look under the hood to see how these firms actually function, because the difference between a general personal injury lawyer and a top-rated asbestos trial firm can mean a difference of millions of dollars for your family. Today we are comparing the inner workings of the nation's most successful firms to show you exactly what elite representation looks like in the current legal landscape. The first point of comparison is the depth of their investigative resources, which is the backbone of any successful asbestos claim. A top-tier firm does not ask you to remember the name of every brand of insulation or brake lining you touch. In 1974, instead, they maintain proprietary databases that act as a digital library of American industry. These databases contain thousands of blueprints and purchase orders and corporate memos from defunct companies that prove exactly where asbestos was used and when. In 2026, the best firms have digitized these records, allowing their investigators to identify exposure sites in a matter of hours. While a smaller local firm might spend months trying to find the same information, you should ask if a firm has on-staff researchers who specialize in specific industries like the Navy or oil refineries or automotive manufacturing, because this specialized knowledge is what links your diagnosis to a specific defendant. Second, we must compare the jurisdictional reach of these firms. National Asbestos Firm has the unique ability to file your claim in any state where you were exposed or where the company is located. This is critical because some states have much more favorable laws for asbestos victims and others offer much faster trial dates. In 2026, some jurisdictions are known for what we call nuclear verdicts, where juries have recently awarded over $1.5 billion in a single mesothelioma case involving contaminated talcum powder. A local lawyer is often stuck in their own county, while a national trial firm can strategically move your case to the court where it has the highest value. Third, we have to look at the medical support systems provided by these top firms. As we move through 2026, the best representation includes more than just legal advice. The elite firms now employ registered nurses and medical patient advocates who help you interpret your pathology reports and connect you with the top surgeons, like those continuing the legacy of Dr. David Suber Baker. They understand the difference between epithelioid and sarcomatoid cell types, and they know how to use that medical data to increase the value of your legal claim. Fourth, let us compare the actual trial experience versus the settlement volume. While 95% of cases end in a settlement, you want a firm that is famous for its recent trial victories. In late 2025 and early 2026, we saw a surge in massive jury verdicts, including record-breaking awards in Baltimore and Minnesota and California. Companies like Johnson & Johnson are more likely to offer a high settlement to a firm that they know is ready to go to trial and win. If a firm has not taken a case to a jury in the last year, they may be viewed as less of a threat, which can result in